จะเทคโฟโต้พอดีเลย
Where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Here my passport.
I said, where are you from?
from Nigeria
From what city in Nigeria?
From Enugu City.
And why do you have all these drugs in your apartment?
Listen to me. I don't have them. I'm have my goods.
You lie, you
Listen, I
lie.
cannot lie for you, my brother. I cannot lie. I used to make my good business in Thailand. Only little did I know that they gave me problem. That's led me into this. But I'm sorry. I will never repeat it again. I will never repeat it again. Please.
The drugs are in your pocket.
Yeah, they are in my pocket.
This is a very large amount of ice.
I'm sorry. Sir.
Where did you get it from?
I did not get it from any source. Only somebody brought it to me before.
Somebody who?
I don't. They used to keep somewhere and then you will take.
Who?
I don't know who. They will keep and then you will give. You go and take. That's how they do. That's how it is done. Nobody in particular gives me, my brother.
So how do you buy?
I only when they give you. I don't even pay. They give me and when I sell, I limit their money.